This is a battle about whether you are sovereign over your own life. If your moral obligation is to yourself or to others, are you your brother's keeper? Because if you are your brother's keeper, then you might as well provide him with health care. That's your moral obligation. So I would challenge that notion. I encourage you to challenge that notion. I encourage you to bring this debate down to this level, to this discussion about rights and about morality. And here I think we have allies on the small front, as Dr. Lewis mentioned. What we need to be fighting for is a return to the principles of the Declaration of Independence. We need to be fighting for the moral principles that stand behind that declaration. We need to be fighting for the moral principles behind the idea that each one of us has an inalienable right to our own life, to our own liberty, and in the most self-interested statement in human history, political statement in human history, that each one of us has an inalienable right to our own happiness. Because a culture of individuals pursuing their own happiness, a culture of individuals who believe that they have a moral right to pursue their own happiness, that they do not have an obligation to the needs of others, that they're not others' slaves, but that their own life is their own. A culture like that does not ask government for health care. A culture like that does not tolerate Obamacare. A culture like that would not tolerate Medicare or Medicaid. A culture like that would advocate for each person's moral responsibility for his own life and his own health care. Thank you all.